Hey there, it's Kelly Donahue Piro, your favorite industry best friend. Well, I'm here to let you know that you've done something great for your agency by joining and listening in on our podcast or watching our YouTube channel. I just want to remind everybody that we're here to help. So if you need anything, drop a comment, go to our website, hang out with our chat, or just contact us. There's a problem in your agency, I got solutions, right? I like to think of it, you got a problem, I'll solve it. But let's get into the content today so that you can improve your awareness and knowledge of solutions that exist to the agency's core challenges. And then really training your sales team to sell on value, not price. When you sell on price, you have to service on price. And when we're not always the least expensive, that's what happens. So I have to tell you, I am so over talking to so many insurance agents out there who tell me that the customers only care about price. The reality is I only care about price when I don't understand the product and we have a complicated product. And the mindset, price, people are hurting. That is true, but on the day your house burns down, on the day that there's a fatality on your work site, nobody cares. And when our brains are poisoned on price, that is 100% what we're reflecting onto our customer. And so I always like to stop to say, if we want to stop frivolous cancellations, we have to start with education. And when we're looking at stopping cancellations, there's short run things and long run things. And so let me tell you about what you could do right now. So right now, the biggest things that you can do is get a handle on your metrics. Know your retention rate, policy premium revenue. Know your cancellation reasons, not just price, move, died, price with a remarket, price without a remarket, price with a renewal review, price without. I mean, go down deep because you're going to see what's going on. Maybe it's non-pays are your issue. Once you know, you can do better. So know your numbers. The next thing that you can do to stop cancellations is identify, are they midterm or are they at renewal? You're going to see an unusual amount in personal lines midterm, especially around auto vehicle changes. Because if you're not running the right strategy, people get a build mile, they're shocked and not happy. The third biggest thing you can do right now, and this is huge, is renewal reviews. Renewal reviews will, within 90 days, change your retention rate. You might be saying, why 90? Well, when you start now, you're getting out probably 4 to 8 weeks. And so it's going to take some time before you see that bump. But you will cross-sell, you will get referrals, you will clean up accounts, you will have better claims experience. You will build relationships with their customers. You will increase coverage. You will do all the things that you want to do. We just have to bite down and do them. And that's it. You're actually going to reduce remarketing when you do that. The long-term things are you nurturing your customers to stay in touch with them? Do you have agency standards to not write bad business up front? That's a big one. That's a long-term one. And then really training your sales team to sell on value, not price. When you sell on price, you have to service on price. And when we're not always the least expensive, that's what happens. Now, even in softening market conditions, you might be saying, oh, this should be easy. No, because people are like, why did my neighbor save more than me? I don't understand. I want to try to save some money. And if they shop, they will have options. Oh, and by the way, if they shop during the hard market, their information is in all these other people's databases. They're going to be targeting them. Retention will still be a slippery slope in a soft market. But there's ways like Renewal Reviews and our new course, we're totally remodeled for soft market conditions that you can use. Well, I hope you enjoyed that. It is so fun giving you guys tips and tricks every single, week out there. Remember, you can find us on social media for updates. You can like or comment on this podcast or video, and we're here for you. And check out our website. There's a ton of tools. We have over 1,000 blogs on our website. We have over 1,000 videos on YouTube. You can search and find answers to your top questions. But also, if you need a little bit more help, you want a best friend that's there cheerleading for you, giving you the guidance that you need, and being there on some of those tough days, let us know. We'd love to meet your agency and learn if we're a good fit. All right, signing off. Go sell insurance.